Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CustomCat POD Fulfillment, my user experience and review. CustomCat POD Fulfillment offers print-on-demand services, primarily targeting online businesses, entrepreneurs, and artists who want to sell customized merchandise without managing inventory or shipping. They offer a wide range of products, from apparel like t-shirts and hoodies to accessories like phone cases and mugs, all customizable with your designs. Key features include direct-to-garment printing, embroidery, and a robust API for integration with e-commerce platforms. Their website provides details on the full product catalog, pricing, and integration options. CustomCat emphasizes automation and efficiency, allowing users to focus on design and marketing rather than logistics. They promote competitive pricing with no upfront costs or minimum order quantities, making it appealing for smaller businesses. The platform leverages advanced printing technology for high-quality results and integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. Availability for specific products and shipping options can be checked directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CustomCat POD Fulfillment. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I connected my Shopify store in just a few clicks, and the integration was seamless. Navigating the interface was fairly intuitive. I uploaded a design for a t-shirt and was able to easily place it, choose colors, and preview the final product using their mock-up generator. I then ordered a sample for myself to check the print quality. The order processing and shipping was relatively fast, it took about a week to arrive. The print quality itself was decent, though the colors were slightly less vibrant than what I saw on my screen. I had a quick question about order tracking and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how smoothly the integration with my Shopify store worked. Orders are automatically fulfilled and shipped without any intervention from my side. The standout feature for me was definitely the wide product selection, allowing me to experiment with different items. One minor drawback was the lack of a clear way to manage bulk discounts or promotions directly within the CustomCat platform. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for adjusting print placement and size, but the provided tutorials were quite useful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CustomCat. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs and provides a convenient and efficient way to handle print-on-demand fulfillment. That's my overview of CustomCat POD Fulfillment, my user experience and review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.